Now this video is going to be really stripped down, really bare bones. I feel like it'll have a lot of power. Yeah, there will be a lot of power to this strip. We're talking about power strips. Hello and welcome to this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I'm your host, Adron. Hey, if you like this video and if you can, please give it a like, please subscribe, and please click on that notification bell to be notified when we drop a new video. Today, we are talking about the KF Power Strip. Now, when you think power strips, you think, I'll buy like the cheapest one, whatever I can find at like the Home Depot or whatever. Yeah, you can, and you can just make your life worse for it. You see, these power strips are exceptionally powerful. You see, these power strips hold enough charge in them to power multiple large objects at the same time. And when I say large objects, I don't mean your PS5. I don't mean that weird vacuum cleaner you bought from that sketchy dealer down the street. I mean microwaves. I mean ovens. I mean air fryers. The kind of thing that usually makes your electrical circuit go out because you can't have that many things at once. These babies can help you no problem. Additionally, you don't have to worry about something being too large to fit onto the plug. You see, this baby has a patented 90-degree rotation, meaning you don't have to worry about getting it around a sneaky little corner because it will turn for you. I wish half the people I knew would turn for me. Here's one of them right now. You see, these guys have a nice little rotation on them that go about 90 degrees, meaning you don't have to worry about any kind of plug you may have because they'll rotate for you. But another big reason you might buy a power strip like this is surge protection. Luckily for you, they got you covered. This baby comes with 50 amps of overload protection, meaning they'll cut off your power supply in case any spikes or fluctuations happen. These babies are also made with ABS and PC fireproof material. These effectively protect your electrical safety. This also comes with wall mounting holes, so you can go ahead and mount it on any wall you need to, and the hook makes it very convenient for any scene you may need to hook it up to. In addition to these rotating plugs, you also have 3 different charging ports for USB-C and USB. They got you covered. And if you just need a basic surge protector, they got you covered here with independent switches. So if you need to just turn off your computer or turn off your printer, you can just turn this part off right here. You don't need to unplug it or turn them all off at once. Well, that's great, but talk is cheap. Why don't we give these guys a little test drive, shall we? Hi, we're doing a product demo right now. As you can see here, I have my laptop plugged into seemingly nothing. You're actually wrong. It is plugged into something. It's just off camera. It is this. This guy right here has 5 different things plugged into it right now. And I was able to move this around because it's just convenient for me at the time. I also have another laptop plugged into this guy right here. Yeah, that's this black cable right here. I also have a third laptop plugged in right here. Oh wow, what's that one plugged into? I didn't see that cable. You're wrong. It's actually this USB-C cable right here. Look at that. Oh, but what's this USB cable do? It's charging my phone. It's charging my phone. Look at this. Yeah, it's charging. Now you might be wondering, what is this last plug plugged into? Well, let me just shut it off and show you. We were using it for our light. Maybe you don't need any fancy USB ports, or maybe it's just like, I got a flat surface. I can just lay my power strip on the ground and get one of these babies. It's no problem at all. They got you covered. They got you covered for your simple needs, all right? All right, look at this. I currently have our lighting rig plugged into here, and I have my huge laptop plugged in as well. Now, maybe my laptop's full, I don't need it plugged in anymore. but I don't want to take it out, just inconvenient. All I have to do is turn this off. And as you can see here, laptop is still plugged in, but it's no longer charging. But my light's still on, no problem. Let me show you what it's like with the lights off again. We don't like that. We don't like that here. No. We enjoy lights here. Well, I think that covers this product demo. Back to you, Adron. Well, that is super cool. Well, I believe that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap. That was the KF Power Strip. Thank you so much to KF for sponsoring this video. If you like this power strip, please click on the link in the notification below. Once again, that wraps up this episode of Good Tech Cheap. I've been your host, Adron. Stay safe, be kind, and have a nice day.